Welcome back to Bike Buzz, your go-to channel for everything two-wheeled. Today, we are diving into the 2025 Honda Activa 6G, the latest iteration of India's most loved scooter. Is it just a refresh, or does it bring something new to the streets? Let's find out. Design and styling. The 2025 Activa 6G retains its familiar and practical design but with subtle refinements. Honda has added fresh color options and a slightly sportier front fascia. Chrome elements and sleek body lines keep it classy, while the overall build maintains its trademark simplicity and durability. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Activa 6G continues with its trusted 109.51 cubic centimeters BS6 compliant engine, now slightly tweaked for improved fuel efficiency and smoother throttle response. It delivers around 7.8 PS of power and 8.9 Nm of torque, perfect for city commuting with minimal fuss. New features and tech. This year, Honda introduces an updated digital analog instrument cluster on select variants and the latest smart key system for better security and convenience. The scooter also retains its silent start with ACG, external fuel filler, and telescopic suspension, ensuring a smooth and user-friendly ride. Ride experience. Riding the Activa 6G feels effortless. The upright seating, refined suspension, and lightweight frame make it ideal for urban traffic. Whether you're dodging potholes or cruising through market lanes, the scooter delivers reliable performance and comfort. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda Activa 6G may not reinvent the wheel, but it continues to refine what works best: reliability, ease of use, and affordability. If you're looking for a no-nonsense scooter that does it all, the Activa 6G still stands tall. Outro, subscribe for more. That's a wrap on the 2025 Honda Activa 6G. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you pick this over the competition? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Buzz for more scooter and bike updates. Ride safe, and see you next time.